All right, good morning, Facebook, YouTube. This is Courtney Truman Steemers. Just got to my first job. This is a repeat customer who used me on a home that she moved out of about a year ago. She did tell me that the carpets were pretty bad, so she said, Courtney, just make sure you bring your best stuff. So as you can see, I'm doing 2 bedrooms. She said there's some Sharpie markers, so I'm going to see if I'm able to get that out. Usually Sharpie means permanent. So if you still see it there in the after shot, we'll know why. Okay, so just showing you guys the before and then the after. And then this room over here, which isn't too bad. So what I'm going to do is do a nice pre-vacuum. And we're also going to do the sofa and the love seat. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started, get my sealer door put up. It's a beautiful day today. It's going to be about 70 degrees. Alright guys, got one more appointment available for Thursday this week. Anything after that would be next week. So I already got 4 appointments on the schedule for next week. So if you want to get a schedule this week, Thursday afternoon is the only day I have available. Other than that, we'll be taking appointments for next week. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Knock this carpet out. And we'll come back and see the after work. Alright, Facebook, YouTube, Courtney Truman Steemers. I am done. My client is very happy. And here it is, guys. The moment you all been waiting for. Alright, so there's the upholstery. What I did, I'm using her table just to put the fan on the upholstery. See how much better that looks? And the carpets. Look at that, guys. Amazing, amazing. She was actually taking pictures so she can show them to her parents, so she can get her parents' carpets clean. Now that ink stain, that's the best I was able to get it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, couldn't make any promises that I would be able to get that ink out, and she totally understood. It did get lighter, maybe about 40–50%, but as you can see, you can still see it. But it's all that soil and stains. Carpets are virtually dry because, again, I did put the fan on it while I was doing the upholstery. And now we have another happy customer. So guys, that's it for today. Well, that's not for that's it for here. Still got 3 more to do. Tara? Alright, Tara, so this is your second time using me? And I did let you know in the beginning that I would do my best on the ink, but overall, how do you think everything came out?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Amazing.
Amazing. I seen you taking pictures. You said you were send them to your parents? Awesome. Great.
My mom said, "Who did it? It looks like magic."
Yep. Well, thank you again for using me.
Of course.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Well, Tara, I'm going to go ahead and finish wrapping up.
Okay.
And I'll get ready to take care of your invoice shortly.
Okay.
All right, guys. Thanks again for watching Courtney Truman Steemers. All right, time to hit the number 2. See you in the next one.